It's Sunday, so you didn't do any activities?
I went to the festival.
Oh, festival. How was it?
Sorry,
How was it?
is is fantastic.
It's fantastic. How is it fantastic?
I play games
Oh,
in
play
the festival.
games. I see. Is it your seat? Is it your places festival or whole Vietnam's festival?
In my province.
Your provincial festival. I see. All right. So are you ready now? Okay, let's begin our class. The service is great. Please read the example. I mean, not the example, but the instruction, and then do the activity.
Do you eat at these places very often? Rank them from one most often to eight least often.
Okay, so we have cafe. Can you please read the words?
Cafe. Um, Eight.
Oh, read the words first.
Uh, Cafe. Food cart. Snack bar.
Snack bar.
Cafeteria. Snack bar. Cafeteria. Buffet. Restaurant. Food court.
Court.
Court. Fast food restaurant by dining restaurant.
Okay, rate them from 1 most often to 8 least often.
Uh, Cafe is 8.
It's because you're young, you do not drink coffee, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Makes sense. What's 7?
What?
What's number 7?
Is Hey, what is food cart mean? I don't know.
Food court is a place where there's varieties of food, like street food, mostly street foods.
Ah,
Yeah. You're gonna buy street foods in the corners of the room, and then you're gonna eat it at the table. Just like a cafeteria, but most of the foods there are street foods. Food court.
number 6.
Number 6. Oh, no, choose number 7 first.
Oh wait. Number 7 is uh uh. Oh, number 7 is buffet restaurant.
Buffet. Oh, so you don't often go to buffet restaurants? Oh, let me ask you. Were you asking about food cart or food court?
I asked the food cart.
Oh, food cart. You know, carts are where is the thing like a box where someone pushes it.
Okay.
Most of the time, yes, street foods are most of the time sold there.
Okay. Uh, Number 6 is food court.
Okay, six, food cart.
No. It's the food court.
Court.
Okay. Number 5 is food court. Number 4 is number 4 is fast food restaurant.
Okay.
Uh, Number 3 is cafeteria.
Cafeteria.
Number 2 is fine dining restaurant.
Number one is snack bar. Okay, why?
What?
Okay, why is your rating like this? Why is number one snack bar?
Because eat I often eat in snack bar.
What do you often order?
I often order uh, I often order snack and drink.
Snacks and drinks. Okay, and why is buffet restaurant at number 7, but fine dining is at number 2? Okay, why is it 2 and 7?
Because um, because I uh, if my family have uh,
Mm-hmm.
have uh,
Occasion?
yes.
So when your family have occasion, you often go to fine dining restaurants,
Yes.
not buffets. All right. Okay. Okay, now let's have a conversation. All right. For example, I will be reading letter A. I eat at food courts most often.
I eat at food carts more often. Really, I eat at cafes most often. Where do you eat least often?
I eat at cafes. I eat at I eat least at cafes. How about you? Where do you most eat often?
I eat at snack bar most often.
Okay, there we have it. Let's move to conversation. Let's read, no, not read, but listen to the audio. Okay, let me see if my audio is shared. Okay, 17. Listen carefully.
Lesson 7. The service is great. Page 16. Conversation. A. Listen. What does the pink peppercorn serve? What doesn't Sarah like about the restaurant?
So, what are you in the mood for? Have you tried that new restaurant near the subway station? You mean the pink peppercorn? Yeah, that's the one. No, I haven't yet. What's it like? It's pretty good. They serve a lot of curries and noodle dishes, and their prices are reasonable. Most of the dishes cost about $10. That's pretty good. What's the service like? The service is really slow, but otherwise, it's a nice place. I think I'll try it.
Okay. Now, let's read the conversation. You will be Kit and I will be Sarah. Go ahead.
So, what are you in the mood for?
Have you tried that new restaurant near the subway station?
You mean the pink peppercorn?
Yeah, that's the one.
No, I haven't yet. What's it like?
It's pretty good. They serve a lot of curries and noodles dishes, and their prices are reasonable. Most of the dishes cost about $10.
That's pretty good. What's the service like?
The service is really slow, but otherwise, it's a nice place.
I think I'll try it.
Okay, now please read the pink and green words.
Uh, aren't you talking about the pink peppercorn? Uh, and their price aren't bad. That sounds great. The service is so great, but it's worth a try.
What does "it's worth a try" means?
Uh, I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
Yeah.
Okay. When someone said it's worth a try, it means that you attempt to do it, and if you did it and the outcome was good, it means it's worth a try. It means you should try it. It means you should try it. Let me translate it for you. It means you should try it. Worth a try. Vietnamese. Oh. It means you should try it. And if you tried it, there you go.
Okay.
Okay. How about the word reasonable? What does it mean for you?
Sorry?
What does reasonable means?
I know, but I.
Oh, you know, but you can't explain.
Yes.
Okay, if something is reasonable, it means it's it has its it has its own logical based in circumstances. Like for example, it's fair, right? You know the word fair. Reasonable means it's fair.
Okay.
Okay, so in the story, what is the restaurant's name?
The restaurant name is the Pink Peppercorn.
Is it a new restaurant or an old one?
Mm, is the uh, new restaurant.
Okay, how are the prices reasonable?
Most of the dishes cost about $10.
Okay, would you go here if if it was you?
Yes,
Yeah, but is it okay for you if the service is slow? Like maybe you can eat after waiting for an hour? Would you like that?
yes,
Oh, it's okay
yes.
if you wait for an hour?
Uh, I can wait.
You can wait. As long as the prices are reasonable. It's cheap or maybe cheap.
Okay.
Do you have any favorite restaurants?
What?
Do you have any favorite restaurants?
Uh, yeah. No.
Don't? Why? Like
Nick,
maybe McDonald's, KFC.
the KFC.
Okay, you like KFC best. Why?
No, it's Jollibee.
Oh, you love Jollibee. Bida ang saya. That's the tagline of Jollibee. Happiness is at its finest. Okay, why do you like Jollibee?
Because I like is spaghetti.
Oh, you love the jolly spaghetti, the sweet spaghetti. And also the fried chicken. I love the fried chicken. It's juicy inside and crunchy outside. Anyways, do you have any question?
No.
Okay, let's move to language booster. Please read the describing restaurants.
Uh, the food is fantastic, pretty so good, so. They serve a lot of curries and noodle dishes. The prices are expensive, reasonable, fairly cheap. It attracts a lot of office workers at lunch. The service is really great slow. It has a fun, relaxing atmosphere.
Okay. Take turns describing your favorite restaurant. Use the words below. So we can use the food, the prices, location, service, and the atmosphere. Okay, for you, you're gonna describe Jollibee. And for me too, I'm also going to describe Jollibee because I love Jollibee. Okay, let's talk about Jollibee. You know what? What I like best about Jollibee is their location because in my place, in my country, there's a lot of Jollibee restaurants. You know, in my city, we have about 4 Jollibee restaurants. How about in your place?
In my place,
Mm-hmm.
it's two Jollibee.
Mm. In Vietnam or in your place?
In my place.
Oh, okay. Ask me questions.
And the price is um the what about prices?
Well, the prices are kind of expensive, don't you think so?
In my place is reasonable.
Oh, really? In my place, it's kind of expensive. A piece of chicken cost me $3. How about in your place? How much is the a piece of chicken?
It costs about $2.
Oh, same here. Okay. But for me, it's expensive. It should be $1 only. Okay. But which of the food is your favorite thing to order aside from the spaghetti? What do you often order?
I often order um, uh, spaghetti.
Just spaghetti?
Yes,
Oh, you only order spaghetti, not the chicken or the pie? Have you tasted the pie?
yes.
Have you tried it? Okay. Have you tried the adobo rice?
Uh, I don't know this food.
Maybe you don't have the adobo rice on your menu in Vietnam. You know, in the USA, they have the they have adobo in their menu, and they also have. I love the gravy. Okay, how about the atmosphere of the restaurant in your place? How was it? How is it?
Uh, it is. Uh, it is comfortable.
Ooh, it's comfortable. How about the service? Does it took you long to take your to receive your order, or does it take you just few minutes for you to receive your order?
The service is great.
Oh, that's amazing. All right now. Okay. Which one is your least favorite in the Jollibee menu?
What?
Which is your least favorite in the Jollibee menu?
In my place, the
Your least favorite in the Jollibee menu?
uh, it is uh, it is uh, it is ice cream.
Oh, your least favorite are the ice sundae ice cream?
Yes, because I don't like ice cream.
Why? I love ice cream. Why do you not like ice cream?
I don't like eat ice cream because it.
Cold?
No, I feel it mm, not delicious.
Okay, it's not your cup of tea. Anyways, so our class is over now. It's been 25 minutes. Do you have any questions?
And no,
Okay, so that's it for today. Have a good night, Kong. Goodbye.
have a good night.
Okay.